رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear students? Hope you all are doing great. In today's class, we are going to begin with our second term portion. So, chapter 5, more on Tux Paint. We will be learning about the amp tool, magic tool, creating a slideshow, and unique features about the Tux Paint. So, let's begin. Let's look on to the learning objective. How to open Tux Paint, pattern brush tool, line tool, a paint tool, haze brush shape, time for some magic grass effect, fill tool, flower tool, paint brush, stamp tool. Saving and opening a file. So let's before starting our chapter, let's take an introduction of Tux Paint. What's Tux Paint? Tux Paint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing painting programs, Tux Paint has a lot of creative tools, funny animation and magical effects, which make it one of the best drawing software. Let us look at its unique features. What are the unique features that makes different from other drawing software? Yes. First one, Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about it. A large variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. We can add personalized stamps to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails without using any file name. So these are some unique features. Let's move on to the Tux Paint. Okay, let's start. How will you open a Tux Paint? Students, firstly you will click on to the start button in the left corner. Click on the start button, then you will see the all programs. Yeah, right, see all programs, and then you will find here Tux Paint, and then you will click on it. First screen is your welcome screen, and you will get lovely sound over here. Next you will learn about the components. These are tools. Okay, you can see, no, tools. Yes, so there are 14 tools. Okay, 14 different tools. How many tools? 14. You can count. These tools help us in making a drawing beautiful. And on the right side, this is the sub tool box. What's this? Sub tool box. Okay, that contains more option of a particular tool. And on the bottom side here you can see many colors. These are the color palette from which you can choose many different colors. This is a penguin. Penguin is your friend. It has a proper method of using the tool, and it has total 17 fixed colors, and last this is one choice color. Okay, so tools, these you can use for drawing purposes, and this sub tool box means whichever tool if you select, you get different shapes of that particular tool. If you use paint tool, you can choose the shape of anything available in the sub tool to make the shape of the paint tool. Have you seen a drawing book? Have you seen the drawing book which has a different colors of pages in it, in which you do drawing? Same happens in Tux Paint. On this, I want to select a colorful pages. On this, I want to make a drawing. So you will click on to the new button. You can see here, right? New button. Yes. Here are the color boxes and status to start a new drawing. Here are many color boxes. Status is like a page from a coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture and with different background colors. There are many different background colors. You can choose any color. So I'm going to choose this one. So let's start drawing using these tools. So first tool is paint tool. So this is a one is paint tool. And one more thing, students, if in case you don't select any tool, then by default this tool is selected. Okay, so whenever you open your Tux Paint, this paint tool will be selected automatically by default. Okay, which tool gets selected? Paint tool. Okay, yes. So you can paint and draw anything you like. It's similar to brush tool in MS Paint. Have you all used it? Yes. Where you get to paint this using a brush tool which is similar to this. You can use this for drawing freehand images and sketches as well as various shapes available in the sub toolbox. With the help of paint tool brush, you can make any shape of it. Okay, I'm using this paint box, and then there are many which you can select. You can use any shape, like can select this one. Okay, yes, you can select like selecting this one, selecting color brown, so you can draw whatever you want to draw. Yes, I'm simply drawing a line here and some mountains. Okay, you any beautiful drawing. Okay, so this is how I'm drawing mountains. Okay, just simply drawing to show you all. So you can use any shape and draw whatever you want. So this is a paint tool. Paint tool means freehand tool where you can draw anything like a brush tool. I want to draw a river now. Okay, and also you can hear the sound. Lovely. And yes. Okay, so I'll choose the color blue. Yeah, I'll do the river. You can draw like this. Okay, yes. Now you can come to the next tool. Okay, that is the haze brush shape. Third box, that is this blur tool. How it will work, that is when you sit whatever you draw, if you go through it, it will make the picture appear blur. Now you can see, right? It's called haze brush shape. Okay, it makes the picture appear blur. So we have learned about the one tool and this shape from the sub tool. Okay, now come to the next tool, that is the magic tool. Okay, this magic tool is here. When you select the magic tool, when you choose the magic tool, the pointer will turn into a magic wand. Okay, it will turn into a magic wand. See, can you all see? Yes, the pointer has changed, and now in the sub tool box there are many magic tools from where you can choose any shape. So firstly I'm going to select the brick tool. You can select any tool, but I'm going to click the brick tool. When you select the brick tool, what happens? Bricks appear and you can draw it like this easily. just select and draw it here. Okay, these bricks you can draw. Then after that, under the magic tool, you will use the blur tool. Okay, see, this is a blur tool. You can see, right? Yes, you can choose the blur tool. What does this tool do? It makes the picture appear blur. The area of the picture, wherever you select it, it will make it appear blur. You can see it, right? It has become blur. So what happens? It blurs whatever you select. Okay, with the use of the other magic tool, that is the grass tool. Okay, what does grass tool do? It will show grass effect. When you choose the green color, okay, I'll choose the green color, and now we can draw the grasses. Using this grass tool, you can draw the grass over here easily. Okay, like this is the grass tool. Now, how many tools have you learned in magic tool? Yes, tell me. Yes, first one, brick tool, blur magic tool, yes, grass tool. Now, one more tool, that is the fill tool. What does fill tool do? It will fill the colors. I will choose the fill tool and choose the color and then apply this over here and the fill color on the mountains. Okay, now one more tool from the magic tool we'll use, that is a flower tool. Yes, I'm selecting the red color and it will draw flowers. You can draw flowers of many colors. Use any colors and draw flowers. Now yellow flowers. Okay, yes, after blue, now blue flowers. After that I'll use yellow flowers. What a beautiful flowers. Then you can use the pink flowers. Now these are some magic sub tools. How many sub tools have you learned? Tell me. Yes, brick tool, blur magic tool, grass tool, fill tool. Yes, these are some magic tools. Flower tool. Yeah. Now let's learn about the stamp tool. What do this stamp tool does? Yes, here are some stamps. You can choose any and we can paste it here. Okay, now even I'm going to select the next tool, that is a pattern brush tool. Here you can select any shape and draw it here. And now I'm going to select line tool. Line tool, simply it will draw the line. So here are many shapes, whichever shapes you can choose for line tool. So here I'm choosing the arrow shape and the color is this. Okay, so this is the arrow shape which I'm choosing and the color I'm choosing is, yes, this. If in case if you draw a line like this one, it will show the same direction where you draw your line. Okay, now we'll choose the star shape. We'll draw like it will show like this. Okay, yes, this is a star. Okay, it will look mixed up, and if you draw it separately, it will give some shape. Okay, all tools are now, yeah, all tools are over now. Paint tool, stamp tool, line tool, shape tool. You can draw any shapes if you want. Circle, draw circle here. And now save a file. How to save and open a file? After completing, you need to save it. Now through you will, how you will save it? You can see your save option here. Yes, you can save without any file name. So we'll click this, it will get saved. Yes, this is a save option. You can see your save option here, right? Yes, you can save without any file name. So we'll click this, then it will get saved. Okay. Yes. Next, if you come across the computer lab and you want to open the previous file which you have already drawn, if you want to see your previous drawing, what you will do, you will click on to the open tool. Yes, this is the open tool. Okay, you need to click on this. Okay, if you want to see your previous drawing, now you can select your drawing which you have drawn previously. Yes, this one, right? Yes, it will appear. Then you can exit. If you want to exit, you will click on to the quit option. Okay, see here, you can see, right, quit option. Yes, you click on to this and click on to the right button. Okay, you will be able to exit the file. Yes, yeah, this is the way you will be able to exit the file. I hope all have understood the all tools in the Tux Paint, magic tool, paint tool, saving and opening the file. I hope all have understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yes, here, so here I end up this